Hey everyone! Today I'll show you how I made Sprunki Baby Shark. Also, there are a few hidden Sprunki characters in this video. If you find them, write in the comments. This is Sprunki Baby Shark, a bright yellow, cheerful little creature with huge, curious eyes and a tiny fin on top. His face always has that innocent, "I'm up to something" smile. He's got a white belly, a star-shaped mark on his cheek, and a head so round it looks like he could bounce instead of swim. He's basically 80% eyes and 100% energy. And funny little story, Sprunki Baby Shark isn't just any shark. He's the DJ of the Sprunki Ocean. He spends all day mixing bubble beats and sea bass drops. Literally, fish bass. One day, he turned up the volume so high that the waves started dancing too. Now, every time he says, "doot, doot, do," the whole ocean joins in like a giant underwater concert. He may be small, but when the beat drops, even whales start vibing.